Thank you very much, Madam President. I wonder what vision Europeans have of the future of this European Union. Do we want a centralized structure which continues to exercise its centralized power over member states, tyrannizing them, and is externally weak, or do we want it the other way around, an external union which is federal, internally subsidiary, etc., but externally is strong and quite capable of representing European interests in the world? I'm sure it's the latter. And this is the Europe which a strong foreign policy belongs in. There's no question about that. But what we have at the moment is a strange double strategy. We've got the old major European powers that pursue their foreign policy. At the same time, we've got the EU, which is a bit of an impotent dwarf, which is incapable of doing anything that it wants. We need to change that. We need an EEAS for that. But first of all, we need a sensible foreign policy.